Cha, 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 cha. Igbo kwenu. Oe. Cha, cha, cha. Igbo kwenu. Oe. Cha, cha, cha. Igbo kwenu. Oe. Abia kwenu. Oe. Anambra kwenu. Oe. Ebonyi kwenu. Oe. Enugu kwenu. Oe. Imo kwenu. Oe. Nigeria kwezuo no. Hello, friends, families, and loved ones. I welcome you once again to our Igbo segment. Before I go on, I am Mr. B.O., a full-fledged Igbo son and teacher of Igbo language, culture, and tradition, including general issues that affect our lives in society. What I mean by general issues is issues that concern the Igbos and non-Igbos. Okay. Now, the last time we met here, we talked about, we discussed, I used the alphabet to form a song, and we sang the song, together. And before I continue, let's take the song one more time. Abichidi efigi gwigwi iji kekpekwe lemeni ngenwenyi opi resishi ti viwiyeze. All right, now, from this, I have to show you this. Then we have, I promised you, remember the last time I promised you that by next time we meet, we're going to talk about the consonants, the vowels, and the diphthongs. So all these are contained in the Igbo alphabets, but it's your ability to pick them out is what really matters. So, if you would remember, I told you when we met the last time that diphthongs are words that come in pairs. They are all contained in the Igbo alphabets. They come in pairs. You have words like chi, we, ye, we, be, and other ones. So altogether, they are, if you read through, the diphthongs are 8. Then, the diphthongs are 8. We have 36 alphabets in Igbo alphabets, 36. Yeah, the ones that come in pair are also counted as 1. Each of them is counted as 1. So you don't count them, you don't say like we, you don't say K and the way, you count them 1, 2. Rather, it's counted as 1, even though they are a pair. Okay? All right, and I said Igbo alphabets are 36 in number. Then out of that 36, we have 28 consonants. Then 8 vowels. Understand? Okay. Now, like I usually say, if you want to understand a language that is not yours, all you have to do is to study the rudiments of that language. You have to know the ABC, that is the alphabet. When you understand the alphabets, you have made it a lot easier for yourself. You just can't start speaking a language. Though I know some people, maybe travelers, they mix up with, people that are not the same indigenous as they hear them speak, they interact, and before you know it, they'll start speaking the language. But if you don't have an interaction in which you have the opportunity to study or to learn the language from listening, to the owners of the language communicate among themselves. All you have to do is to avail yourself of the opportunity to learn the alphabets of that very language. Once you do that, it's 3/4 done. Yeah, that's just it. It's not magical. It's not magical. All right. Now, if you take a look at this, you will see that this word, chi, If you see chi, you have we, you have re, you have we, you have bi, you have kwi, you have we, you have ni, you have she, you have, okay, she, as you can see, we, ni, bi, kwi, we, re, we, and chi. They fall under diphthongs. Then diphthongs is called odampe in Igbo language. Odampe, because of the pairing nature. Then we have consonants. Consonants are called in Igbo alphabet mbochume. Mbochume. Then vowels are called otaume. Okay, ume means breathing or the breath. Ume, the breath means ume in Igbo. So that's where the words, were coined from. That's where they're coined from. Okay, so now we have to look at words that come in pairs, in the alphabet. Now, the examples they are used to make. Now, there are words like ekwe. Ekwe. This ekwe here, you can see the sign up, how it goes. I understand you, most of you who actually speak your own language, write your own languages very well, you know about signs. So this ekwe, then it means gong. I know every community has that. When they want to make an announcement, then they use the gong. Then this one is agua. Agua in Igbo means beans. Beans where everybody eats. Then character, that's attitude. That's exactly the same thing. Once you pronounce it this way, it could be beans or character you're talking about. Then this one is uche. Uche is the name of a person. Then you can see chi. In this agua, you can see gui. In this ekwe, you can see kwe. Then egwe, you can see bwe. All these diphthongs are underlined here. Egwe in is called hawk in English. It's called hawk. Then ara, you can see re underlined. It's war, where people shoot, fight. Then aba, the bag, the items in which we put some of our personal effects or belongings. Then asha. 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 Asha means the name of a bird. Name of a bird. Then anya means eyes. Eyes. The eyes we used to see things. Okay. Now, this I showed you contain the diphthongs. And I just gave or showed you examples where they are used to make sentences or to kind of words, where they are using words like names and all these things I mentioned a few moments ago. So once you're able to master your vowels, your consonants, and your diphthongs, you're good to go. Yeah, you will succeed every step of the way. That's just it is. It's not magical. Just note that it's not magical. So when next we meet, I'll be able to write down, consonants and the vowels, how they are used. In this ekwe and all these ones I mentioned, the underlined ones I told you, they are diphthongs. You can see the consonants contained there. You can also see the vowels contained. By the time we meet next time, I should be able to tell you what vowels and consonants are. All right. So commit yourself to knowing this, as I am committed to teaching you, to making sure that you understand Igbo. You'll be able to make adage, understand the idioms. Even you can write them. You may even be better than the user of the song, the original user of the song, the native user of the language, the owner of the language. It's as simple as that. There is no abracadabra in it. Okay, guys, please don't forget to ask any questions. If there's anything that's confusing to you, leave your question in the comment box. Once I see it, I'll be able to answer it. I'm committed to helping. I'm committed to teaching you. And no teacher gets angry when he or she is asked a question. Okay? Feel free. I'm one of you, irrespective of my tribe. Okay? All right. When next we meet, we'll talk about some other things like consonants, consonants and the vowels, as I said. It's going to be as interesting as today's zone is. Okay, guys. Catch you some other time. Bye. Que mesiano.